Hello, welcome to the tutorial on pronunciation of Vietnamese vowels produced by yourvietnamese.com. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to pronounce the 12 Vietnamese vowels, all of which are produced in this table. Now let's start with the first vowel, the R. This vowel has the same pronunciation as the R in far. An example is the word sa, which also means far. Now the next vowel is R. It doesn't have an equivalent sound in English. The closest one we can have is the I in the shortened I in father, and an example is mak. Now the next vowel is It doesn't quite have an equivalent sound in English. The closest one we have is the sound in bud, and an example is duck. And the next vowel is a. Very much the same as the A in red. An example is sa. The next vowel is A. This one you may need to pay close attention. It doesn't have any equivalent in English. The closest one we have is the A in May. Now an example is hen. Now the next two vowels, the English I and the English Y, both of them are pronounced as E in Vietnamese. Very much the same as me. The E sounds in me. Examples are hun, which means image, and yêu, which means love. Now the next vowel is R, the same as the R in law. An example is law, which means worried. The next vowel is O. Actually, you can see it doesn't have an equivalent in English. The closest one is the O sound in spoke. An example is go. The next vowel is This has an equivalent sound in English. This is the same as in sir. A Vietnamese example is trơn. The next vowel is U. The same pronunciation as the U sound in bu. A Vietnamese example is bún, which means noodle. This word must be very familiar with you. You get very familiar with this word in the beef noodle. The next vowel is U. Maybe the same as in An example is the in mực. So in this tutorial we have learned all the pronunciations of all the 12 Vietnamese vowels. It's the R, the the A, E, O, U, and U. Now I would like to invite you to pay closer attention to the vowels that don't have equivalent sounds in English, namely the R. Again, is R, E, O, and lastly is U. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial on pronunciation of Vietnamese vowel, proudly brought to you by yourvietnamese.com.